Hey, Spence C, and it is number 12 of the daily videos, Building a Public, and it is January the 10th, 2025. How you doing? I'm outside, sorry, it's all bleached out a bit here, but I'm in sunny California, and time is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. So I'm doing these daily videos for me to stay consistent, to upload consistently, to share my journey with you, to share my experiences, my highs and lows as I'm building in public, growing this channel, growing my business, and sharing the things that I've learned along the way as a musician and now entrepreneur. So if you want to join me in the ritual, if you've been watching these, you'll know we do a ritual, stay hydrated, and today I'm going to go be daring and try coconut water. Not try it for the first time, but just drink it instead of water. So if you want to get your drink, pause the video, go and get your drink, come back, start the video and drink with me. Here we go. It's 1 litre. Taking longer than I thought. Yeah, oh, that's good. It's better than water. So today's video I want to talk about is TikTok, and is TikTok bad? Do you need TikTok? And what are the alternatives? Is social media dead? Is social media dying? Well, if you've been watching the news, yesterday it was announced in the US anyway that TikTok will be not available to US citizens, I guess, and US, if you're living in the US, excuse me, and that's purely because it's a government thing, right? It's a politics thing. I'm not going to get into that in this video. It's not about that, but it's just about whenever this kind of happens, and it's TikTok's been threatened for a while now, isn't it? And people say in reaction to this, yeah, TikTok, social media is dying. You've got to get off social media and you've got to get onto email because that's better. And I agree with that. That is true. Social media is a rented platform. Anything can happen to it that's outside of your control. And so having an email list, building an email list is a great foundation for a business. However, I'm not one of these people that says, it tries to sell panic and say, well, email's the only way, because email isn't perfect either, let's face it. So there's a lot of, the reach isn't great on email nowadays because there's so much email, like fatigue, so many newsletters, so much stuff coming through into your spam. Most people will miss your newsletter. It'll either go to spam or you'll just get deleted. And so, and also, if you're paying for it, if you've got like a list of 2,000 plus subscribers, then you're paying someone like MailChimp or ConvertKit or something like that. You're paying to host your email, so it's not free either. And stuff can happen with those. You can lose your emails. Something could happen to your email. So anything online isn't 100% safe. However, email is probably the safest thing, and it means that you have a different relationship with your email list than you do on social media. So think of social media more of a megaphone, a shop window. It's everything that's going on there. It's to attract people in, and ideally it should be attracting people in to your email list, to your email, to subscribe to your newsletter or your free giveaway or whatever it is, but to get you on your email list. And then the email conversation is more intimate because it's more one-to-one. It's more personalized. It's kind of quieter. It's already assuming that you're on board. You don't need to be attracted anymore. You're into the funnel. You're buying into whoever's list you're on, and you're warm, if you want to put it that way. You're a warm audience. And eventually you might end up buying something from that person, hiring them to do something, and that's the bottom of funnel, as they call it. So social media is top of funnel, and that's the shop window. You know, this is come and look at this. This is the razzle dazzle, the bright lights, the things to get you attracted, and to attract your attention enough to go, oh, I might want to watch a bit more of that, listen to a bit more of that. Like these videos, for example. Please like this video. If you want to support the channel, comment supports the channel even more. I'd love to hear your ideas about social media and about email lists. What email list provider do you use? And are you just are you just starting out with your big email list, a bit like me? If you are, drop your link in the comment below. If you've got a newsletter or you've got a free giveaway or whatever it is, your landing page you want to start your email list, then put it in the link down below and let's support each other to build our email lists. So, and of course, if you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, you'll get notified every time we do new videos. So that's it, what I wanted to say. Yes, start an email list. It is important. It should be the foundation of every online business that you have, because it is fundamental. However, social media is still very important, and let's get it right. TikTok isn't bad. TikTok's got great reach. A lot of people are getting a lot of attraction. They're building the fan base on TikTok. It's great for musicians, and it's not about that TikTok's a bad platform. It's really a politics thing. It seems to be, from what I can see, that Trump doesn't want the Chinese to have that much data on the US. He can't let the Chinese get too close, and so that's what it's more about, rather than actually it's a bad platform. And if you're watching the news closely, you'll see strange things are happening with Facebook, even because they're kind of they're not going to be so stringent now on fact checking because of the Trump administration coming in. So there's lots of things changing. However, they are still quite stable. I mean, Facebook's been going for what, 20 years plus. I mean, here we are. YouTube's going strong. Twitter obviously has gone through a bit of a change, and you could argue that's diminishing. But LinkedIn is still very strong. So there's lots of social media platforms out there that are still going strong and probably aren't going anywhere soon. However, I'm not going to labour the point, but it would behoove you, and I love saying that word in the right context. It would behoove you to set up your email list today. If you haven't done it and you're thinking, oh, it's too late now, why bother? It's never too late. Start today, and start now, and drop your link in the comments below. Let's get some subscribers and start building that email list, so you can start having those conversations. You can start building your brand, if you like, building your customer base, and hopefully treating your customers, your people on your email list, with enough respect and care, and giving enough value that they, in the end, want to buy something from you, whatever it is that you're selling. So I think that's the way it works, right? So with that said, be sure to subscribe to my newsletter. It's it's a weekly newsletter. It's very new, and so just you'll find it in the description down below. And I wish you the best of days. It's coming up to 9 minutes, so I better pad for another minute, because I want to try and make these 10 minutes plus. So as I said, this is for me, this is showing up every day. And I'd also love to know in the comments down below, where do you show up the most? What's your kind of go-to social media platform? For me, it is LinkedIn, is my sort of favorite social media platform. I am trying Threads at the moment. I'm seeing some good results on Threads. I tried it initially and then came off it because I don't know, it was too much, but I think Threads I can do. Not using X so much, but LinkedIn, Threads, and of course YouTube are my go-tos. So I'd like to know what yours are as well. You can drop those in the comments down below as well as your landing page link or your newsletter link if you're just starting out. So this is me, Spence C, signing off for today, and I will see you tomorrow. Be prosperous.